Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Craft Your Clutter, and this is hosted by the Craft Nerd and the Mug Life DIY. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to use two of these cranberry juice bottles and convert this into something project that is a farmhouse style. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final reveal of my project, you guys. I'm so excited to share with you all today. So these are my two juice bottles converted into something farmhouse style. So like you saw the process. So this wagon I used for fall, and then I actually repurposed it for this farmhouse project. Basically, I stuck one of the gray ribbon around it and some of the twine on either side of the holders of the wagon, and then I gave a bow in the center. And like you saw the process, I also painted it chalk paint. I wanted to give some texture like that, to give like a rustic look. And I twined on those crevices basically, and then I stuck the gray ribbon at the mouth of the bottles, and then some of the pink beautiful roses and some greenery. And this is one of the garland from my previous project. So this is how I want to decorate and repurpose my juice bottles into something farmhouse style. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.